Does your trailer ever get in the way when you're trying to load the back of your car? If you're like me and you go on road trips, one thing you find out is when you put your bike trailer on the back of your car, that you're kind of committed. You either have to take the whole trailer off to access everything that's in the back of the car, especially our SUVs, or you can't reach it. It's too much work. You got to take everything off. Well, we have a solution to that problem. This is the Young Electric Easy Swing. It holds 250-pound capacity. It bolts right onto the car, and then your other trailer goes into it. I'm going to show you how it goes on to the car right now. This is the new Young Electric Swing Away, as you see right here. It is on the back of the car. So what I'm about to do right now is show you how easy it is to install this and how simple it goes on to the back of the car. All right, so your lock right here, you're gonna take it off. As you see here, it has a spot, that little clip slides to protect your key entry so it doesn't get sand or dirt and stuff in it hanging back here. Start off with this piece right here. Take this bolt. That's it. Now once you get that one in, let's come over here on this side. See what we're doing here. You see there, we're gonna take the lock and put it right there. So now that is locked in. Next thing you want to do is get your plate. This plate right here, what it does is it adds to the rigid. Make sure that the lip, the turn up lip part, is on the outside, because it's going to kind of give lift and support to the back of the trailer hitch. I want you to see a good view of it. You want that as tight to this right here as possible, just like that, so it's almost making like one piece, and you can see how it supports it with that bend. So that's why you want to make sure you put this on here and tighten it up with your with the screwdriver. We're about to take this off here and get that tightened up. All right, and then once you get it on here, you're gonna take it, get both sides as even as you possibly can. All right, now that makes it solid. As you see, if I shake that, the whole car moves. That is in. She ain't going nowhere. That's spinning, but the bolt is locked in. I got it locked in. That's why I like these bolts. If you see what I'm talking about right here, those bolts make it hard to get this off of here. And when a thief see this, he gonna keep going, because he can't just knock this out of here with a hammer like they can the old ones. Now we're gonna show you how to attach here. Okay, so now that we got that one in, the next order of business is to put the trailer on. So, make sure you got your bolt. We're gonna pick it up. I love this. Now your trailer is gonna be lighter than the haulers. Okay, so we'll get that in. Take this. All right, keep those little things. They help you a lot, fellas. Yeah. There we go. And she's solid. Only shaking on there. It's me shaking it. That's all it takes, everybody, to get this hooked up right. All right, and this is how it works. This is your lock pin. This stops it from swinging out. So what you're gonna have to do is lift that This locks it in place. You got a trigger under here. You're gonna pull your little trigger back, pull that up, pull that back. Then when you pull your lock pin, swing your whole trailer open, swing it back out your way to wherever it's, you see that? That swing, now that can hold up to 250 pounds. 250 pounds. You swing your bike out of the way, and then you can easily open and access the back bay of your SUV. On the road, this is the bumpiest road you could ever be on. And I love it. She is. Now mind you, the truck moving too, so. Yes. As you see, she is stable. All right, everybody, now we're about to do a little transition. We coming off the dirt road onto the paved road. All right, there we go. We'll go a little bit of shaking. Now this is paved road. This is what you would normally be. I just accelerated real hard. All right, we turning around, we're maneuvering with the trailer behind us just to see if it don't add. It sticks out about a foot from the car, but you got plenty of space to maneuver. I'm gonna do a little willy. That's a little shake and bake, y'all, and it's solid. When you're just out riding and know that your trailer is secure, man, it gives you peace of mind. And to know that no one can just swipe that trailer and steal your expensive bikes. But when you look out your back window and you see that bike that steady and stable right there, it makes life a lot easier, and it takes the pressure of riding with your bike off your mind. And this is a profile of what it looks like, everybody sitting on the back. That's how much it sticks out. It pushes the bike out, let's see, probably about it adds to about a good 2 feet to the space behind you. Now, if this was a double bike trailer, there would be another bike right here, so that would work. And don't forget the Young Electric. This is the Young Electric 2-inch swing away, 250 pound load capacity, everybody. 250 pounds. This works great. I'm gonna show you again how it works. You come over here, you pull this up, sit that, pull that, and that is all she wrote. That's all she wrote. Then it just swings out of the way. That's how it works, everybody. And while you're asking, yes, it will work with your existing trailer if you already have a trailer. This is my old trailer. This was the one that kind of gets a little flimsy, as you see. It's got a lot of play, so it don't fit as tight as the other one does. But never mind that. If you have an existing trailer, yes, it too will work with the Young electric trailer. So as you see, it fits. It fits. So all you need is this part right here. The swing away. The Young electric swing away with 250 pounds capacity, everybody. There it is, everybody. That's what it is. And it makes life easy so you can get in the back of your truck. All right, I hope you like this product right here. Again, this is your country boy coming at you, bringing you something good, something you can use. The easy swing. You're gonna love this thing, man. Swing away, it comes right out, makes life way easier. If you already got a trailer, it will work with your existing trailer. If not, go ahead and grab you one of the Young electric bike racks. They are on sale currently. You can get one for $189. Don't forget to use my code CBTE and get you one of these trailers today, man. Make your life easy so you can get out here and ride and enjoy life.